This is the assembly video for the Hewitt hydraulic bow stop. Lay out and inventory all of the parts. Identify and match the extrusion to the bunk openings. At this point, you're ready to slide the bow stop into the bunks. Set the length of your bow stop to center the weight of your boat on your lift. Insert the set screw into the bow stop extension. Place the 60-inch upright into the bow stop and tighten it down. Slide the 1-inch carriage bolts into the base of the 60-inch upright and secure the cross angle between the two uprights with a nut and bolt. Next, we're going to assemble the vertical bumpers. Loosely assemble the hardware to the vertical bumper. Then slide the plastic bumper over the 60-inch upright, making sure that the nut and washer are inside the channel. While pulling the bumper away from the channel, tighten down the bolt. Insert the plastic plug. At this point, set the horizontal and vertical distances specific to your boat and go ahead and tighten down all the nuts and bolts. This completes the assembly of the Hewitt hydraulic bow stop.